After a long day at work, the last thing I want to do is spend hours cleaning. Honestly, it can feel just like another chore. As filmmakers and content creators, our busy schedules make it even harder to keep the office tidy. This is why we prefer to use a robot vacuum to automatically keep our place clean at all times. Having a vacuum robot like this is essential for anyone with a busy schedule. It saves you hours every week so you can focus on much more important things, and the best part, you can set cleaning schedules from anywhere, so it keeps the mess under control even when you are not home. Today, we're taking a closer look at the brand new ECOVACS DEEBOT X12 OmniCyclone robot vacuum, the successor to the X11, which was already a great product and we really enjoyed using it. But ECOVACS took it a step further with their newest flagship, the X12, building on what made the X11 great and adding new features that makes it one of the most advanced robot vacuums that ECOVACS has ever made. This cutting-edge robot packs a pressurized FocusJet system for breaking down tough stains, a self-washing OZMORoller that scrubs instead of smearing, 22,000 PA of suction, advanced AI/VI 3D 4.0 obstacle avoidance, and a completely bagless OmniCyclone dock for hands-free maintenance, and many more smart features that makes this one of the most advanced vacuum robots out there. Specs look great on paper, but what really matters is how well it performs and overall how it cleans in real-world use. And honestly, after using it for a few weeks to clean my workspace and also my house, I was actually really impressed by how well it performs. Like I mentioned, the X11 was already a great robot vacuum, but when I tried the X12 for the first time, I immediately noticed the difference in cleaning performance, especially when it came to tackling tougher messes and maintaining consistent results. If we take a closer look at the X12, we also have the similar circular shape design like we had on the X11. In fact, they look almost identical, but ECOVACS now introduced a smarter approach to floor cleaning by pairing the FocusJet stain pre-treatment with the OZMORoller 3.0 system. So basically what this does is, whenever the robot detects a really tough stain, instead of just scrubbing harder like other robots, the X12 applies a 46,000 PA pressurized spray to soften the sticky spills and dried spills, and then lifts them up using the OZMORoller, making it far more efficient in handling stubborn messes than traditional robot mops that often just smear. And honestly, this feature alone already makes this robot vacuum worth considering, because we all know how difficult it is to get rid of tough stains, especially with traditional robot vacuums. So this new innovation from ECOVACS definitely took it a step further. Also, the X12 features a large upgraded OZMORoller 3.0, and it's also been upgraded to 27 centimeters, and as you can see with this side-by-side comparison, it's much larger than the X11's, which continuously scrubs while washing itself in real time, lifting stubborn stains instead of just smearing them like traditional pad-based systems. Its pressurized fresh flow system keeps the roller rinsed throughout the cleaning session, preventing dirty water from spreading across your floors and also maintaining consistent performance. And with the TrueEdge 3.0, the roller extends up to 1.5 centimeters beyond the robot's body, gliding along baseboards and corners to remove dust lines and edge buildups that most robots leave behind. And on top of that, the X12 combines blast high airflow suction with Zero Tangle 4.0 technology, handling dust, crumbs, and hair efficiently while reducing maintenance and ensuring reliable pickup across your home. And as you can see, during our testing, the X12 performed extremely well when it came to picking up dust, crumbs, pet hair, or really anything I threw at it. Thanks to its very powerful 22,000 PA suction and its side brush to direct debris towards the main suction, the X12 doesn't leave anything behind, even with a single pass. This is especially ideal if you have rugs or carpets at home and need a very deep cleaning without leaving anything behind. Not only does this vacuum cleaner perform exceptionally well on rugs and carpets, but it also tackles wet spills on hard floors, including tile, ceramic, and laminate surfaces. As you can see for these tests, I added milk, sauce, ketchup, and even some very sticky liquids. And as expected, the X12 did really well without leaving a mess behind, which is also another area where traditional vacuum cleaners struggle. Unlike some other robot vacuums that leave a mess on carpets after cleaning wet spills on tiles, the X12 is smart enough to detect when it's moving from hard floors to rugs or carpets. The roller mop automatically lifts, preventing your carpet from getting wet or dirty. Also, for dry/wet separation, when the X12 lifts the roller, it automatically deploys a protective cover that isolates the roller from the carpet, preventing any secondary contamination, which is actually really smart. One thing that I also really like about the X12 is whenever it's done cleaning, it goes back to the station and self-empties the trash into a bagless OmniCyclone dustbin, and it also washes the roller mop and rinses the mop with warm water. And while it's doing all this, the vacuum is also charging. ECOVACS calls this power boost charging because it charges up to 13% in just 3 minutes, which is really impressive. Not only does this allow the robot to charge quickly whenever it's cleaning and drying the roller mop, but it also enables continuous cleaning coverage of up to 1000 square meters, perfect for larger homes or large studios. If your home has uneven floors or raised thresholds, the X12 can handle them with ease. Thanks to its TruePath 4-wheel drive system, it can easily cross thresholds and uneven surfaces like edges and rugs or doorways without getting stuck. That means it can move seamlessly from room to room, keeping your cleaning consistent even in homes with mixed flooring or slightly raised transitions. Maintenance on the X12 is straightforward. Just add water and empty the bagless dustbin when needed, and the robot takes care of the rest. It's a huge time saver and it eliminates the hassle of dealing with trash bags. If we take a closer look at the charging station, up on top you have the clean and dirty water bins, and at the front left side, when opening the lid, you have the 2 cleaning solution dispenser tanks, which comes with an all-purpose solution and the other one for heavy-duty cleaning solution. And overall, the station and the robot are both made from really high-quality solid materials, and thanks to its clean and modern look, it will blend nicely into any home or office without drawing too much attention. With AI/VI 3D 4.0 smart navigation, the X12 can recognize and avoid objects like toys, cables, and furniture legs, so it doesn't just constantly bump into things. In practice, the obstacle avoiding works really well, and the robot stays impressively quiet while cleaning, which is perfect if you want to schedule cleanings overnight without interrupting anyone. And speaking of scheduled cleanings, you can connect the X12 to the ECOVACS Home app, where you can schedule cleanings anytime you want, even for specific rooms. The app also lets you set custom zones and adjust settings like cleaning mode, suction power, water flow, and even the cleaning speed, as well as check your battery life and much more. Additionally, the X12 also comes with the Agent Jico AI assistant, which adds voice controls and smart cleaning suggestions. So you can basically just say, "Jico, start cleaning the office," and it will automatically get out of the station and start cleaning. And once it's done, it's going to return back to the station, so it makes starting a cleaning session quick and effortless with minimal setup required. Overall, my experience with the ECOVACS DEEBOT X12 has been excellent. It constantly keeps my entire space clean, which has been a real game changer. It also allows me to focus more on important things while keeping my home looking clean and well maintained. So who is this robot vacuum for? If you're looking for a robot vacuum that offers excellent cleaning results with very minimal maintenance, then this one's definitely for you. Also, if you have a large home and you have pets, kids, or often find yourself spilling stuff on the floor, then this will definitely be ideal for you. Also, I do want to mention that ECOVACS also offers the X12 Pro Omni. The only difference is the X12 Pro Omni uses a dust bag and the X12 uses a bagless OmniCyclone dustbin. But that's gonna do it for this video. As always, the purchase link will be down below, but thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.